Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great start of this week. And welcome to this new video on ID, Space ID. Wanted to make a new video, wanted to make a new update. Have been covering it daily ever since the huge bullish momentum we got. And today we'll talk about it again. We'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about what's going on. And this is the first day in a while that we opened bearish like this. We're down about 12%. Volume, even though it went up a little bit over the day yesterday, it has dropped down again ever since like 5 a.m. something like that. We were still at around 700 million. Right now it's dropping quite rapidly. It's down to a little bit under 600 million right now. So we'll talk about everything you need to know practically. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results. We just closed our 5th consecutive profitable week. So if you want to make some money, check that out. All right, now onto Space ID. So before we get into the technicals, I mean, as I said earlier, I'll repeat some things. But first of all, usually when the volume starts dropping like this, that's an indication that we lost our bullish momentum. It's not totally gone, of course, but it is an indication. All right, one indication is no indication, but if we find more indications, then perhaps it's something. And apart from that, a principle which I talked about earlier, but it's very important and valuable, I think you should know that, is usually rallies like these will continue until the last key level you broke above fails as a support. All right, so the last key level we broke above is this level right here between 83 cents and let's say 85 cents. That was our resistance. We broke above that and then it provided some support, I guess you could argue. But now the big question is, well, have we had that first bearish breakout? Usually when you get that first bearish breakout, the bearish momentum will start. And right now we're kind of in the middle, I think, because we did have a bearish breakout through the 236 fib. As you can see, we broke down below that and it looks like we're getting some sort of a break retest as well. Now the thing though is that we are not bearish yet, I would argue, because 83 cents still holds. Now if on the preferably on the 4-hour time frame, that's closing in about 30 minutes, has already closed when you're watching this video, but 1-hour time frame perhaps could work as well. But the thing is, if we drop down below 83 cents, then I'm going to say it, if we break down below that and we actually confirm the bearish break retest, we'll drop down to 76 and 75 cents is our first support. But then we'll start some sort of a downtrend, I think, where next support level, the next support level is right here around 68 cents. So we're actually at quite a key moment right here. Because we could also still, and I do want to highlight that, what could also happen is that, as I said, technically we are not bearish yet. So if we now find support at 83 cents and we manage to break above 86 and 85 cents, which is, as I said, the main level is between 86 and 83 cents, right? So we had a bearish break retest through 86 cents, but not through 83. So if we are able to break above 86 cents, we are still actually very bullish and we could very well still get to $1. All right, so it's waiting for that. What's not helping is that Bitcoin is a bit bearish, or at least it's opening a bit bearish. And what's also not happening is that the volume is dropping down. As I said, that's an indication of that it's perhaps over. So yeah, that's the main thing to look out for, 83 cents. I think it's more likely that we'll have that bearish break retest and drop down to 77 and 76 cents at first. And then from there we'll see again. But yeah, as I said, it's not the only scenario, not the only thing that can happen. So that's my take on Space ID for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.